Hello there, welcome to this video. Let's talk today about how to unfollow someone on Facebook using your iPhone. So it's pretty simple. It works also with Android, okay? You just need to have your Facebook working. As you can see here, I have mine working and look for my friends. It depends on the version, it changes from time to time, but basically you need to look for your friends. So here I click on the main screen on friends, and then I see the options here to click on your friends, right? Here I have all of my friends, and then I can select one of them. Let's say, for example, this first one, I just click on these three dots. And here we go, I have the options about the friends, and I can message this friend, I can unfollow the friend here. So it's pretty easy. I just click here, unfollow this friend, and I'm good to go. Okay, so pretty easy to unfollow someone on Facebook. Okay, so that's the way you can unfollow someone on Facebook. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.